Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Cybersecurity. In today's lecture, we are going to see about getting started with C programming. So, in last class, we have discussed about the concept of C character set and also the history of C programming. So, in today's class, we are going to see about the constants. Constant. So, here the constant is a fixed value. We can't change any value using the constant variable. So throughout the session or a program execution, it takes the same value. For example, if you have given a as 5 means that us only takes the value as 5 for throughout program execution. So it doesn't change any values for that. Here we have two types of constants, primary constant and secondary constant. So that is given in this pictorial representation. So primary constants are integer, real, character, and the secondary constants are called as array, pointer, structure, union, enum. So these are all the secondary constants. So mostly we are using a primary constant in every program development. So with the help of the primary constants only, we'll work on it. So we have rules for constructing integer constant. So it at least should have a numbers or a digit from 0 to 9, and it must not contain a decimal points. It may be either a negative or a positive number. It should proceed with assumed positive if you didn't specify any symbol like plus or minus. If you have specified minus symbol means it is taken as a negative number. The commas and blank spaces within the number specification or integer value will not be allowed. Numeric constant is here the numeric constants are splitted. So first we'll take integer constant. So here it takes a sequence of digits like 0 to 9. Any kind of sequence will be taken here. So here we have three types of integers. One is decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Decimal means the values 0 to 9 will be taken. So the base value here is 10. For octal, it takes 8 values, 0 to 8 has taken. So the base value for octal is 8. For hexadecimal, it takes 16 values. So starting from 0 to 9 and the alphabets A to F will be taken. And the base value for this hexadecimal is 16. Decimal integer constant. So here it has decimal values, plus and minus symbols. So the plus and minus symbols that denotes positive, negative numbers. It is embedded with spaces, commas, so any characters. So these things will not be allowed for decimal integer constant. Octal integer constant, any combination of digits 0 to 7 will be taken here. So it's leading with 0. So it should start with a 0 as a starting value. Next, hexadecimal number. It is a sequence of digits from 0 small x to 0 capital X. So alphabets A to F and small a to F will be taken. The A to F, it represents the values from 10 to 15. So here I have given examples. I have used numbers and also the alphabet characters. So here is an example program for numerical constants. So for integer constant, we are printing integer values with the help of positive and negative numbers. Here it includes the plus and minus symbols. And for long integers, we can include L letter character also. So rules for numeric constants are it must at least have one digit. It must not have a decimal points. Plus minus negative values are taken. Commas and blank spaces are not allowed. Real constant. So it is like in a floating point value. Here the base value is 10. Mantissa and exponents are specified in real constant. So mantissa, it is either a real number expressed in decimal notation or an integer. Exponent is an integer number, optional plus and minus signs are represented. So here is an example for real constant. Thank you. So from this lecture, you'll understand about constants. Here we have seen two types of constant, numeric constant and real constants. Thank you.